A very good morning, my lovely kids. How are you? I hope you all are safe and fine. Beta, this is our activity class, and in this activity class today we are going to do artwork. For this, you need your art notebook. Okay? Poster colors or watercolor. Brown, blue, orange, pink and yellow. Earbud, okay, pencil, scale, eraser and blue sketch pens. Okay, if you have marker then also it's okay. Now first of all you have to draw the margin like this. बेटा जैसे मैंने मार्जिन ड्रॉ की है सेम टू सेम आपको भी ड्रॉ करनी है. And you have to put today's date, that is 10/7/20, and write down CW. Now we will write the heading. Today we are going to make scenic scene, okay, and this we will do with earbud. Okay, so this painting is called earbud painting. So start writing the heading. Then we will write here that which painting is this. This is earbud painting. Okay, like this you have to write the heading. Now take your pencil and start drawing with me. Like this beta. First of all we will make the waves. सबसे पहले बेटा हम लोग इस तरीके से waves बनाएंगे. Look, 1, then same way 2. Now from here we have to do like this. 3. Now again from here 4. Our waves is ready. Now it's time to draw boat. For making boat you have to draw one line like this. Then put scale like this and draw one line, then another line. Again like this. How many parts you all are able to see? 1, 2, 3. Now standing line like this. Now we will make triangle. Look, our boat is ready. Water is also ready. Now what is left? Only sun. Now beta, we will make sun. How we have to make sun? We will make sun like this. Round and round. Like this we will make sun. Okay. And what is this? This is the race. Look, our scene is ready. Now we will complete this with the help of watercolor and earbud. Okay, now let's start making. Firstly, we will color the sun. Okay. Now what you have to do, you just take yellow color and earbud. And dip like this. You have to dip earbud in the watercolor and do like this. Look, it's so easy. Like this you have to do. Okay, beta? बेटा आपको ईयरबड को ज़्यादा प्रेस नहीं करना है. Look, sun is ready. Now we will take orange color. अब बेटा इस ऑरेंज कलर से हम लोग बोर्ड प्रिपेयर करेंगे. So dip earbud in the orange color like this. ओके, ये देखिए बेटा मैंने ऑरेंज कलर में ईयरबड को डिप कर लिया. एंड नाउ आई एम डूइंग लाइक दिस. सेम वे बेटा आपको भी अच्छा वर्क करना है. ब्यूटीफुल. Now take pink color. Again dip earbud from another side like this and do like this. You all are enjoying? Look, pink color is also ready. Now what is left? Only brown color. Now we have to color this portion, this and this with brown color. For this we need brown color. Look, I have taken brown color. Now what I am going to do? I will just dip my earbud inside the brown color. Look, Now start doing. Again dip. अब बेटा हम लोग बोर्ड के इस पोर्शन को भी ब्राउन कलर से करेंगे. Look, board भी ready हो गई. Sun is also ready. Now what is left? Water. For making water, which color we need? Tell me beta. We need blue color. Look. I have taken blue color and earbud. Now again dip like this and start doing. बेटा आप देख रहे हो ना हमारी वाटर की वेव्स भी रेडी हो रही हैं. सेम वे आपको भी इसी तरीके से करना है. एंड बेटा मेक श्योर आपका वर्क बहुत ही गुड होना चाहिए, ब्यूटीफुल होना चाहिए. जैसे मैम ने किया है सेम वे आपको भी करना है. Look, a beautiful painting is ready. Wow, so beautiful. बेटा आप भी ऐसे ब्यूटीफुल बनाइएगा. ओके, व्हाट इज दिस? सन, बोट एंड वाटर. ओके, सेम वे आपको भी अपनी नोटबुक में इसी तरीके से पेंटिंग बनानी है. ओके बेटा, एंड सेम वे आपको ईयरबड पेंटिंग अपनी बुक में भी करनी है. सो आप लोग अपनी आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट की बुक निकालिएगा एंड जस्ट ओपन पेज नंबर 25. लुक, पेज नंबर 25 इज हियर. This is also a scenery in which you are able to see sun, tree, birds, grass. Okay? अब बेटा आप लोग देख रहे होगे, आपको सारे कलर्स यहाँ पर मेंशन है, आपको बताया गया है यहाँ पर आपको ग्रीन कलर करना है. Here you have to do brown color, red, okay, and here orange. आपको इस सीनरी को देख के इस सीनरी को कंप्लीट करना है. बिल्कुल सेम वे ईओ वर्ड की हेल्प से एंड कलर की हेल्प से. ओके बेटा, थैंक यू.